In this video, we're going to show you how to install the intake cam position sensor on your Hummer H3 located on the front side of the engine. Now in the engine compartment, you're going to locate the AC line right here, and then on the driver's side of the engine, you're going to come down here, and here is the sensor right here. Now the electrical connector has a safety clip on it. It's this gray locking tab. Right on the front side right here, right where the pick is, there's a little lock tab for this. So you gently push in with that, and you should be able to pull this locking tab up. In some instances, if you cannot get that connector disconnected, don't struggle, don't pull on the harness. What we're going to do is we're going to jump to the bolt itself. We're going to loosen that bolt, remove it, and then when we pull the sensor out, we'll then go ahead and separate the harness from the sensor. So we're just going to use our 10mm socket on our 1/4" ratchet. Now we're going to be reusing this bolt. So try not to drop it. And we have it right there. So I'm going to grab that harness connector, and with one finger I'm going to rock this, and I'm going to twist it a little bit, pulling towards the front of the engine. And my little lock tab just popped off the connector. Not a big issue. We'll install that afterward. Now I'm using a flathead screw just to go behind that sensor there and just kind of rock that out. There is a rubber O-ring that holds it in place. And here we have it. So I'm going to press in on this tab here, and we should be able to separate the sensor. Our lock tab is stuck right here. That's all it is. So there's just a little spring clip here, or a lock tab that holds onto this little shark fin lock-like tab there. If you want to, go ahead and use a rag and clean the port for the sensor itself. I'm not going to spray any chemicals in there because that does go right into the oil system of the engine. Now I did take a little bit of thin coat of dielectric grease here, or you can use some engine oil. Put it on that O-ring seal right there. Don't get any on the end. Now you can go ahead and install the sensor and put your bolt in. Your other option here is to go ahead and reconnect your connector. Might make it a little bit easier because there's limited space down there. Press it till you hear it lock in. Press in your lock tab there. Feed that down inside. Line that up, give it a little bit of a wiggle. Pops right in. Grab that bolt. I'm going to go ahead and thread that in as far as I can by hand. Now you want to go ahead and torque this to 89 inch-pounds or 7.4 foot-pounds if you have the ability to do so. Once you're done torquing it, you want to go ahead and hop into the vehicle, clear any codes using a proper scan tool for this vehicle, and then go ahead and take it for a road test.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.